Hi, my name is Fong Zhang. I'm a Los Angeles professor of welding. So what students can expect to get out of the welding program is the way this welding program is built, it's a fast track. They're able to get a certificate from Merced College within 18 weeks. And then the last class, they're also able to get certified in 3 processes of welding from AWS. AWS is American Welding Society. I'm always looking for perfection. I want us to reach that perfection because, you know, you never know when you go out to the industry. You don't know if your manager is going to be asking for the same thing. So we want them to start off being perfect here and then end up staying perfect in their work area. What I like about Merced College is, you know, we're like a family here. Even though I'm off-site, I get welcome here my first year. This is my first year teaching, going on my second year, and I was welcome here since day one. I just like the way that Merced College is like a family, and you know, we stick really tight, and if one falls, we all fall together.